kailangan siguro pag-aralang mabuti yan, no? Kasi ang consequence niyan hindi lang dun sa basketball team natin, no? Pwedeng sa buong Philippine delegation sa Asian Games, no? We also need to understand yung background nung mga rulings at saka regulations nila, no? Baka mamaya meron lang misunderstanding or misinformation, no? Ang suspecha kasi ng marami, baka pinupuntirya tayo ng Korea dahil doon gagawin. Pero ako, sa pagkakaalam ko, maski yung Korea mismo, merong player na hindi nila nagawang eligible, no? Because of the same rule, no? So I think kailangan pag-aralan mabuti. Masyadong drastic naman yung mag-boycott tayo. I think it will have dire consequences, not only on our basketball team but on the other sports in general.
So, in essence, coach, hindi ka payag na...
Sa ngayon hindi, no. Sa ngayon palagay ko ang spirit ng sport kasi participation talaga, camaraderie, no. So kailangan magbalik tayo dun sa yung essence na yon, no? Kung talagang dinadaya tayo, I can understand. Pero kailangan naman pag-aralan mabuti kung talagang yun nga yung intention, no? Baka hindi naman, no? Kasi rules are rules. Kung yung rule na yon ay in-apply lang ngayon o kaya hindi tayo nasabihan na agad-agad, then we can suspect. Pero sa pagkakaalam ko, matagal na yung rules na yun.
I think a pull-out is not an option for them because they will represent the country. If it is because of some rules, so I think they should meet those officials who's against the inclusion of our naturalized player, si Blatz. But nakakalungkot dahil basketball is the passion of Filipino people. Whether you win or lose, they want to have a basketball team in the Asian game.
Me, I was never a fan of any pull-out or boycott.
Okay.
Yes, I do understand yung stand ng parang lugi naman tayo. Pero parang I think we've proven that, sa Spain, we've proven that, yeah, actually kaya natin. In fact, there are going to be some stretches. So no overtime, wala yun import. Diba? And I think the victory might be sweeter. I mean, siyempre, there are going to be consequences to that. Do we want to be sanctioned again, just like before? With all these gains that we have garnered, yun dito sa last FIBA, di ba, parang yun lang akin. Parang, yeah, I do understand where we're coming from. Pare, diyan tayo. Parang gano'n, di ba? Parang gano'n. But, I think we can, baka nga, malay mo, di ba? Ang Diyos, hindi naman tutulog malay mo, kahit na gano'n gawin.
Kapaganda pa.
No, the victory would be much more sweeter if it does, di ba? Parang, kita mo. Di ba? Hindi natin alam, di ba? Sayang naman yung nakuha natin.
Yung momentum,
games na nakuha natin. Parang grabe ang potential ng Philippine basketball. I'm telling you right now, this is the time to strike. Sipin mo, meron slaughter,
may pahardo.
Pringle, isipin mo, may Pringle ka, may Ray Parks ka, may Keeper Ravena ka, eventually in the future. Sus, Mario Joseph, ang lakas ng team natin, pare. There's a big chance that itong mga darating na 5 years in 5 years time, pare. Baka yung domination ng Iran, bumaligtad, mapunta sa atin. With ang ganda na ng programa natin, di ba?
Yeah, I'm not there. I don't know all the intricacies of the ruling and everything, but from what I've read, it just sounds like it's a legitimate rule that they're stating, and other teams are going to suffer for it as well. But I just, first of all, I'm not sure Yeah, Andre's a great player, and he changes the way we play and everything. But I'm not sure that we really need him that badly. I think we can do really well in the Asian Games without him. Especially if Marcus Dowdett plays.
Okay.
So, and for me personally, I'd love to see him play. I think it's exciting and everything. Then I'd hate to see him pull out. So I hate to see there be any repercussions or sanctions or whatever it might be and that might happen in the future. So I'm not sure that's worth it. Iran will be tough again. Don't know how good China is going to be. They're kind of been unpredictable these last couple of years. And Korea will be tough, but I think that Korea is certainly beatable, and everybody else. Iran, Andre Blatch might give them a little better, chance against Hamadi and Iran, I think. And I'm just not a big believer in boycotts and pullouts. I mean, this is an international game. I mean, it's a friendship game. I'm just not a big believer in that. So, but if that's what they want to do and they feel they've been really wrong, then I'll support whatever they decide to do.
Actually, I totally agree. From someone who played in two. Well, I didn't play in one, but I was part of two. But I played in the last one in 2002. We were. I strongly believe that we should stay and play, even without Blatch there. I think this is a tournament we could win. We could win even without him. And usually naman pag Asian Games, 'di ba? All Filipino 'yan 'di ba? Wala tayong naturalized, 'di ba? So, we've especially this team, they've really, as far as confidence, as far as teamwork, as far as getting better together, that they've really grown just through this Spain experience. So, feeling ko madala nila yun sa Asian Games. I think we'll be very successful there.
Pero February, Coach, what is probably one good reason that you can give siguro for the team not to get worried even without Blatch?
Oh, well, no, only because I think we've with this team, we had this core for maybe a long time, except for maybe like Paulie and maybe one other guy. Pero we're solid now. We're solid. We have chemistry. I think Coach Chot has been amazing, and being under him before, he does a really good job in keeping the team together. So I think at this point, medyo nasa peak tayo with our game. So even without Blatch there, I think guys like Fajardo will come through. Our guards are really playing well. Ranadel is playing out of his mind. Diba? Maski pasok mo dyan kung pwede mo ipasok dyan si J-Wash or even JV, I think we would still be very competitive. Very competitive.